Hello. Today we want to talk about the different types of industrial toggle light switches that are out there and how Toggle Shield can help you lock them in place whenever needed. Let's start with the brand of Hubble. Hubble has different types of light switches. The industrial type usually come in at 20 amp, 15, 20 amps. These light switches are pretty sturdy. Toggle Shield can easily lock these light switches in place. Again, during install, always remember try to flex the bottom leg of the toggle shield, place it in, a little bit of push, and you can secure the light switch. The next light switch is an Eaton light switch. Um, this one is all of these industrial light switches are basically very similar, as you can see. Um, they're different companies. Toggle Shield works on all of these different brands. Again, as you saw, the bottom leg, you have to just flex it a little bit, place it in there in the opening, and then one or two clicks, and your light switch is locked. You can easily remove the toggle shield by just pushing down up and removing it. The next one is another Eaton brand. There are multiple brands out there. Um, uh, Legrand is another one, which it's Legrand or um, Pass and Seymour. So same style. Again, make sure the bottom leg sits in the opening, and then press on it, and the light switch would get locked. The next light switch is a Leviton. Leviton maybe it's the most common light switch that you see usually in Home Depot. I had to mention Eaton is a brand that you will usually see at Lowe's. Um, so again, similar to every other light switch, industrial light switch, right? You just place the toggle shield, initially focus on the top of it, just place it in there, and then flex the bottom leg. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. To remove it, just simply push down up and you can remove it from the light switch. That was all for today. I hope that helps.